What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another exciting personal finance video where I'm talking about gold and silver and stocks and the markets and all that good stuff. If you haven't done so already, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my website, myroadtowealthandfreedom.com, where I post tons of great articles and let you guys know what I'm doing with my passive income and how I'm trying to position myself and invest. Also, quick disclaimer, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so this channel is really just for entertainment only. I tell you guys kind of what I think, but please do your own research and always consult a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Okay, guys, with that out of the way, some big news this week. On Wednesday, we had Fed Chairman Jerome Powell come out and talk about how rates they're going to hold the 0% interest rates until 2023, and that's their guarantee to the market. The week before we heard how the Fed's going to let inflation run above its 2% target. So even if we get to 2% inflation, they're not going to bother raising rates. They're not going to try to kind of control it. They're going to just kind of let it roll, and they're going to put up with a certain period of time with inflation running higher than the 2% target. Now I see today the Fed's Bullard is talking about this is going to be the greatest quarter, in terms of like GDP and the V-shaped recovery, and he's expecting inflation is going to kick in as soon as we get the numbers for this quarter. So let me just kind of let you guys know my own thoughts on this. The Fed is jawboning the hell, talking up all of the markets. It's not going to happen. I can't see how we're going to get this kind of inflation anytime soon. So anyway, that's kind of my thoughts on that. Basically, they're fighting deflation as much as they can, and we'll see where this all ends up. Of course, the stock market's not doing well at all. They want more stimulus. They want more Fed action, maybe more money printing and asset purchases or whatever. But the Fed's really in no position to do that, and I think this kind of lays bare their dilemma. They're out of ammunition. There's really not much they can do. You have Jerome Powell the other week, 2 weeks ago, I think it was, asking Congress to start passing more fiscal stimulus and start sending checks out to people and doing all this stuff. Nothing's getting done. Of course, you got an election coming up. Meanwhile, the real economy is sinking. Restaurants and bars, retail is just getting killed. We're going into this resurgence with this health crisis. Europe's starting to shut back down. It's really uncertain right now, and I just don't see how we're going to get inflation. The jobs number came out or last week. I think it was unemployment numbers. 850,000 people apply for unemployment, and they're happy about this because at least it's not a million. But we're standing at about 10-11% unemployment. Where's the growth really going to come from? You got the biggest asset bubbles in the world, which is the stock market now and the bond market. I'm not too optimistic or hopeful as to where this is all going to go. But anyway, back to more of what I've been doing. So I'm still taking it on the chin with my investments in oil. They're down about 10% now from where I bought. So I don't know. Eventually, I saw Saudi Arabia said that they're going to try to make some cuts. I don't know, maybe like 3 million barrels a day or something like that. I forget what they're trying to do. But anyway, so that should kind of prop up markets and prices in the near term. Long term, of course, if we get a vaccine, it's a big game changer. Life will go back to normal, and everything should turn around on a dime, basically. So there's all these things kind of hanging in the wind. So if you're taking any position in any market, I'd recommend doing it slowly. Buy quarter positions or half positions. Don't go all in. It looks like the stock market's going to roll over again. In spite of everybody talking it up, I think we're going to probably see a retest of the March lows, especially if we don't get any more stimulus coming in. Market had basically priced that in. Um, really, we're at all-time highs already. Like, how much higher can this really go? So that said, yeah, I'm looking at picking up another one of these 10-ounce bars. I saw a few at the LCS. There were Scotiabank and TD Bank 10-ounce bars. So I might kind of pick some up. I don't know. I wanted to get another couple ounces of gold too. 2 more gold maples for the stack, and I'll kind of see where it goes from here. But anyways, this is gonna be a short one today, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Where do you guys see this going? You think these markets are gonna go higher? What's your forecast for gold and silver? Is it gonna go to the moon? Clearly, without any additional stimulus, I think we're kind of in a sideways trading here. Silver might see a correction. Even gold, they're talking about retesting, 1800, 1750, somewhere around there. Let me know your thoughts. If it goes down to that, I'll for sure be picking up 2 more of my maples. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Once again, like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my website, my road to wealth and freedom. That's it, guys. Take care.